How to solve network error in Capcut. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to solve network error in Capcut. First of all, open up the settings on your phone. Once you get into the settings, tap on the search bar from the top. Then search here for the Capcut app. Now tap to go into the app where you will find the Photos option. After that, tap on it and make sure you provide the full access to photos from here. Then, what you have to do is open up the App Store and search for VPN in here. Then tap to install the VPN. Once you install the app, tap to open it. Now tap to connect the VPN with the available server. And then, open up the Capcut app. Add a project in Editing page. Then swipe in the editing bar and tap on Filters. Now tap to choose any of the following filters for your video, just to make sure that the issue of network error is solved successfully. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.